today I'm going to show you how to take these items here. Very, very cheap hair by Bobbi Boss. Very great brand. This is a 27, a 14-inch, and I got a 10-inch pack also. In this horrible closure. Into this look right here. Alright, so let's get to it. You're going to want to braid your hair down, your client's hair, or if you have a mannequin, that's even better. Take the stocking cap and make sure it's placed securely on the head to ensure that there's no lifting. Alright, so you're going to want to go ahead and wash that closure if it looks anything like mine, because mine was horrendous. So start from the beginning of the closure. You're going to sew from one end all the way around to the other, putting the stitches as closely as possible, okay? Just to make sure it's not lifting, it's not rolling over. As you can see, I do have my closure secured and sewn down to the cap. There should be no lifting. It makes it easier for me to lay my tracks down when it is time, okay? So, as you can see, Brittany did tap out. I do have the complete pack of 14-inch hair on this mannequin head, okay? I did cut the access cap from right under the closure after I finished sewing it in. Alright, so take your glue just like this, apply it to your measured track. You're gonna blow dry it to get it a little tacky, make it easier to stick, and place it right where you need it. Bring your blow dryer out again and apply pressure. Alright, so this is the 10-inch pack or bundle or whatever. It comes in 2 little bundles. You're gonna repeat that same process all the way into the very end, okay? Comb through as you place your track. You want to place the track and comb through just to make sure you don't have any excess glue in your hair. So when you get to this point, you're going to make sure you're blending your closure very, very good. I do have a black closure, so blending is very important. That's my concealer. I'm going to take it, I put it on the back of my hand just a little bit. Use my brush, whatever brush that is. I don't know, I'm not into makeup, but use my small brush and apply the concealer right on the inside of the closure where they did put the pearl, okay? So go ahead and blow dry it to dry it up, and there you have it. Okay, so I did go in and I added a few blonde tracks in between the black tracks of the closure, okay? Just so the wig could look more ombre, less like leave out.